After months of testing to see if this is the ultimate action camera on the market, here's my complete GoPro Hero 7 Black review. If you are wondering what all of these strange terms are like time warp, super photo, or hypersmooth, then keep reading this article as I will be giving a detailed rundown in my complete GoPro Hero 7 review. It wasn't that long ago that the GoPro Hero 6 hit the shelves, and when it did, we all thought that it could not be beaten. How wrong we were. The introduction of the Hero 7 was much more of a big deal when compared to the Hero 6, and there were certain reasons behind why that was so. For those of you who aren't familiar with the GoPro line of products, or the company, let me give you a quick rundown of what exactly a GoPro is. A GoPro is primarily a small, handheld, waterproof camera that is capable of being mounted or placed just about anywhere in order to get a unique angle or shot. GoPros are capable of capturing videos, stills, time lapses, photo bursts, and night photography, as well as underwater photography. Many people think that a GoPro is designed for those into action sports like surfing or snowboarding. But that isn't entirely true with the new Hero 7. Its ease of use allows for almost anyone to use this incredible piece of technology. The GoPro Hero 7 sits in a long line of GoPros with past models including the original Hate Hero to the Hero Force when Fork Video was introduced to the smaller session models. In 2018, GoPro released the best GoPro yet. You may notice that there's 3 different models of the GoPro Hero 7: white, silver, and black. What are the differences, and which one is right for you? Think of them as beginner, intermediate, and pro cameras. The white is the cheapest and with the least amount of features. In my mind, unless you are really hurting for cash, don't even bother with this one. It has 1080 video and is waterproof. But that's about it. The silver is a step up and has Fork Video as well as Vector photos. But it lacks the main features that you really want out of a GoPro. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is the bee's knees when it comes to action cameras. Let me save you the research and say just save some extra dollars and jump in and buy this one. What sets it apart? Features like Hypersmooth, Super Photo, and Time Warp. So let's get into these right now. Hypersmooth. The purpose of the Hero 7 is to drastically increase the camera's stability when filming. The GoPro Hero 6, which was the previous model, required the use of the Karma Grip, a stabilization gimbal which gave incredible, smooth footage when filming. That was cool. And the stabilization you could get with the Karma Grip was pretty damn amazing. But it was another big tool that you needed to carry around everywhere with you. And if you weren't focused on making epic videos, then it was a bit of a pain to have really, as it took up a lot of space. Cue the GoPro Hero 7 and all of its silky smooth goodness. The Hero 7 basically has one of the most amazing inbuilt stabilization systems of any action camera available, which means you won't need a gimbal to capture smooth footage. What makes the Hero 7 so incredible is that you can literally do what the Karma Grip can do, except you just have to hold it in your hand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.